Hi guys, it's Pam here and welcome to Tiger in the Kitchen. Today we're gonna make one of the coolest condiments we should have at home, chili oil or lai jiao you. Let's see the ingredients. And here we go. First, we need vegetable oil, ideally a neutral flavored oil such as sunflower, canola, peanut, soybean, or grapeseed oil. Light olive oil can also work, but it has a lower smoking point and more likely to become viscous when put in the fridge. These days, avocado oil becomes popular for more healthy choice. In my opinion, you better save that for other applications. Anywho, go for what's convenient for you. Next, chili powder. Sichuan chili powder for the best result, or just regular Asian chili powder. Why? As you're seeing, it's the mix between seeds, flakes, and chili powder. The ones from supermarket are mostly either going to be too fine or too much of the flakes, like this. Or if you already have this type and the too fine one at home, just mix them up, then you get just about right. Salt. And for the aromatic, I'm going to separate to the must-have and the nice to also have. For the must-have, there are cinnamon stick, bay leaves, star anise, and Sichuan peppercorns. And for extra aroma, you can also add black or green cardamoms, ginger, garlic, and white sesame. Then a jar with a lid to store our chili oil. If you have the heat-proof jar, you can put chili powder in it, and when finished making the oil, you can pour the oil in directly. But if not, pour on some other container first. I'm not sure about mine and don't want to know it the hard way, so I'll play safe by pouring in a ceramic bowl first. And we also need a strainer. Alright, let's start. 3/4 cup of chili powder, plus 1 teaspoon of salt in a bowl, or like I mentioned before, if you have the heat-proof jar, you can just put these in the jar. We're gonna mix them up. Slice the ginger. Then we're gonna dry toast all the aromatic ingredients, except for the ginger and garlic, we add them later. So put 5 star anise in the pot, Sichuan peppercorns 3 tablespoons, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cardamoms, white sesame 1 tablespoon, and 2 bay leaves. And bring these bad boys to the stove. Go for medium heat, and then we want to keep it moving. Toasting will bring out more fragrance from these lovely herbs. Smells so nice already. We want to keep doing this for about 5 minutes. Right now the smell is incredible. Turn down a little bit to medium-low heat. Then we add 3 cups of cooking oil. I'd go for sunflower oil personally, just because I already have it. Then add 4 slices ginger and 3 cloves garlic. Then leave it for about 30 minutes to let the oil infuse. If you start to see some bubbles, then your oil might be too hot, so I suggest to turn the heat lower because we don't want to deep fry our herbs in this case. But if you also put garlic and ginger, seeing the bubbles around them are normal because they both contain water. Well, just make sure to check with the oil temperature. Okay, here comes the wow moment of mine. Lift the pot from the stove. May as well making a little space in the middle of the chili powder. Then pour the oil when it's still hot through the strainer. Here we go. Smells so good. This is oddly satisfying. You see, it's bubbling. And let's stir it. It's very hot. In my case, I'm gonna let it cool down before putting in the jar. Once it's cooled down, pour in the jar. And we are not done yet. Put some of the herbs in as well, so they can infuse while we store the chili oil. Gonna create even better aroma. Then you can top on your dumplings, noodles, wontons, even on a toast, literally almost everything. If you're gonna use it often, you can keep in the pantry or room temperature for several weeks, but if not, store in the fridge will keep it up to 6 months. And that's a wrap. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching, and you can check out more recipes right here or more on my channel. I wish you a lovely day. See you again next recipe. สวัสดีค่ะ